What if I told you the secret to firmer, younger-looking skin isn't a $300 cream, for something you can find in your kitchen pantry for pennies? Seriously? Hello, glow-getters? Welcome back to the channel. If you're worried about fine lines, sagging skin, or just want that natural, youthful bounce back, you are in the right place. Today, I'm sharing not one, but two powerful all-natural face masks using this tiny but mighty ingredient, flax seeds. And I'm not just showing you how to make them. I'm going to break down the science of why they work so you can feel confident about what you're re-putting on your skin. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete, affordable, anti-aging skincare routine. Remedy 1. The Super-Nourishing Anti-Aging Mask. Let's start with my personal favorite, Super-Nourishing Anti-Aging Mask. This is like a tall drink of water and nutrients for your skin. First, you'll need to grind about 2 tablespoons of flax seeds into a fine powder. This is our base. Flax seeds are a collagen-boosting miracle because they're packed with omega-3 sulfur, which help fight that natural drop in firmness as we age. To that, we add 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. This is our soothing and hydrating hero. It calms redness, repairs sun damage, and gives you that smooth, lifted look. Don't skip it. 1 tablespoon of raw honey. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it pulls moisture into your skin, making it look plump and radiant. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants to fight aging free radicals. 1/2 teaspoon of argan oil. This is liquid gold. It's rich in vitamin E to deeply nourish and soften fine lines. 1/2 teaspoon of almond oil. This one is fantastic for brightening and fading dark spots, giving you an even-toned glow. Now mix it all together until you get this gorgeous creamy paste. To apply, use upward lifting strokes all over your face and neck. You'll leave this on for 25 to 30 minutes and you'll actually feel it tightening. That's the flaxseed working its magic. Rinse with cool water, and I promise your skin will feel instantly softer, firmer, and incredibly refreshed. Now, before we get to the second remedy, if you're learning anything and loving these natural tips, please do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel grow so I can keep bringing you this free content. Also, I'm curious, drop a comment below and tell me which country you're watching from. I love seeing how far this community reaches. Remedy 2. The Soothing Flaxseed Gel Pack. Okay, ready for remedy number 2. This one is a little different. We're making a flaxseed gel first. Add your seeds and water to a pan and let it simmer on low for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring often. You'll see it transform into this thick, slippery gel. Quick safety tip. Before trying any new skincare, always do a patch test. Just apply a little on your inner arm and wait 20 minutes to ensure no reaction. Once it's cooled, we strain it. We need about 4 teaspoons of this pure gel. To that, we add 2 tablespoons of fine oat powder. Oats are amazing for gentle exfoliation and calming sensitive skin. 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a classic for deep nourishment and firmness. The oil from 2 vitamin E capsules. This is a powerful anti-aging warrior that reduces wrinkles and repairs damage. Mix it into a paste, apply, and gently massage in circles for a minute. Leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes, then rinse. This pack is incredibly soothing and tightening. The gentle exfoliating scrub, and because I love you all, here's a bonus recipe. A gentle 3-in-1 scrub to remove dead skin and blackheads. In a bowl, mix 1 tsp ground flaxseed, 1 tsp oat powder, 1 tsp sugar for exfoliation, 1 tsp honey to moisturize. Massage this onto damp skin for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse. Your face will be baby soft and ready for one of our masks. So let's recap. Today you learned the super-nourishing mask with aloe and oils for firming and glow, the soothing gel pack with oats and vitamin E for tightening and repair, the gentle scrub to fight blackheads and smooth texture. All of them are natural, affordable, and made right in your kitchen. Consistency is key. Now, I have a question for you. Which of these 3 remedies are you most excited to try first? The nourishing mask, the gel pack, or the scrub? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want more power from your pantry, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who loves skincare. And subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of your beautiful skin, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!